Hello everyone, welcome to Doc's Custom Corner. I'm Kerry, aka Dr. Kerry. Within my channel, I plan on showing some of my previous builds. I'm going into a little bit more detail with them, as far as what I did with them, how I built them. Built mostly customs all my life. 52 years old now, been building probably for a little over 45 years. Most of what you're going to see is probably a lot of custom stuff, drag, circle track, motorcycles, semis, so on and so forth. Some of the ones that you see in front of you are some of my better builds that I've built over the years. And like I said, we'll go into a little bit more detail as time goes on and so on and so forth. Just a couple more to set in there. That's Keith Wiesner build that I did off one of his picture arts that he built. Some of you may have noticed or have seen in the past the purple charger in the back. It's been in scale auto a couple times through the years, as well as the Fuller Feeler Cougar you see here. Done some resin builds. Both these two in front are resin. Also on the channel, I plan on doing some how-tos. In the past, people have said that a lot of people learn by watching others and what they do, how their style is. So I plan on doing some of them just in case there's somebody out there that may pick up on an idea or two that I do or how I go about doing stuff. If there's something you guys want to see, leave a comment down below and I'll put something together and make it happen the best I can. I'll also be going over some of my in-progress stuff just to kind of show you some of the in-progress stuff and how it looks before paint goes on. For some that may not know or see how things are done or cut or modified, at least that way give you a little bit idea of how it's done before the paint goes on. And I'm back. Furnace kicked in, had to wait for it to shut off. They're a little too noisy down here. Switched out a few of the cars again, just to kind of give you a little bit more idea of what I do, what I've done in the past. As I said before, in the future, we'll go into a little bit more detail as far as what I've done to some of these. Give you a little bit more detail as far as parts that were used on them and such. The purple 51 Fleetline that you see here, that was built probably 26, 27 years ago. That was my first ever true-on, full-on custom that I built. Switch them out here a little bit again. If you like where this channel is going so far, give me a like just to kind of let me know if I'm doing good here. Just so I got an idea as far as I'm going right down the right road here or not. Yeah, 57 T-Bird was just finished up here about, I think about a week ago I finished that one up finally. That's been an ongoing project for probably 10 years now. Also a little bit more of what I've done before. I like to wreck cars and do demolition derby cars and race cars and so on. So with that in mind, if you want, like I said, give me a like just to let me know what's going on. Leave a comment below just to, if I can do things better or not. This is my first video ever, so I'll learn as I go. Hopefully improve, hopefully get better with it. With that in mind, we'll see y'all later, and hope y'all enjoyed watching so far, and we'll see you in the corner. Thank you. Bye-bye.